Peanut Man had a farm. On his farm, there were ducks, chickens, and a few cows. At dawn, the crowing of the rooster would wake him up. As soon as morning arrived, the ducks and chickens would come out of their shelters and gather in the yard, chirping and clucking happily. Then the cows began mooing, and the Peanut Man gave them food. Suddenly, it started to rain, and the cows, ducks and chickens went inside their shelters. When the rain stopped, the cows came outside and covered themselves with mud. Because of the rain, the cows got covered in a lot of mud, and the Peanut Man was surprised to see it. But there was nothing much he could do. Then he came up with an idea. He led the cows out of the cowshed and took them to the deep tube well near his house. There he used water to wash the mud off the cows and clean them thoroughly. He was cleaning the mud off the cows' bodies. However, fetching water from the well was very difficult, as the water bucket kept falling again and again. To solve this problem, he called his friend for help. Peanut Man, Hulk's friend, called him and told him about the mud covering the cows' bodies. Hulk quickly drove off in his vehicle to bring the necessary materials. Following his friend Peanut Man's instructions, Hulk began loading bricks into the truck. One by one, he loaded all the bricks onto the vehicle. After finishing loading the bricks, he quickly delivered them to his friend Peanut Man's house. Hulk unloaded all the bricks from his truck one by one and placed them on the ground. After that, Hulk drove off again with his truck to bring more materials. First, he picked up some beautiful-looking tiles and loaded them onto the truck one by one. He also collected cement, sand, and various types of pipes. After gathering all the materials, he went to deliver everything to his friend's house. Hulk brought all the construction materials and unloaded everything. Among the materials were pipes, sand, cement, tiles, and a shovel. After unloading all the items, Hulk left. Next, he dug a small hole in the ground and poured a layer of concrete into it. Next, he prepared a cement and sand mixture using a large machine. Next, he turned on the cement mixer machine, and after a short time, the cement and sand paste was ready. Then, he carefully spread the mixture evenly over the concrete surface. He smoothly leveled and spread the paste evenly over the concrete surface. After it dried, he started building a pillar on top of it. He started building the pillar by setting up a concrete frame around it and filling the inside with a cement and sand mixture. After the pillar was completed and had dried, he removed the concrete forms around the pillar. Then, using a cement and sand mixture and small bricks, he started building the wall. Then, one by one, he carefully built beautiful brick walls on both sides of the pillar using all the bricks. And in this way, he continued to move his work forward. Now, he started installing the small tiles on the floor. One after another, he carefully placed the tiles, making them look very neat and attractive. The result looked great, and he continued progressing with his work in this way. All the tiles were laid one by one. Now, a cement paste was prepared and filled into the gaps between the tiles. And then it was spread evenly everywhere, using a wooden board. Now they placed a big red table. On top of the table, they set a water tank. They connected pipes to the water tank and installed a fountain, then started bathing the cows. The bathing of the cows is finished now. Look how clean and beautiful the cows look. Seeing this, the Peanut Man was also very happy.